Okay, so here are the things that we're going to need for this DIY tutorial. We are going to need the candlesticks from the Dollar Tree. I already have two that are put together for this project. I just took this from another project that I had worked on previously. So you're going to need two of those, and you're going to glue those together. And then you're going to need this oblong bowl from the Dollar Tree. I love these for different projects. They're really nice to work with. Your silver garland. They have some really nice silver garland at the Dollar Tree. So we're going to use that. They also had this kind of garland, so you can use either one. And guys, this was a great find. These are LED glitter ornaments. And all you have to do is twist a little knob here. Well, that's all you have to do, but it's not working, is it? So we may have us a blooper reel. Let me try another one. Ah, there it is. How nice is that? This is so awesome. I love these. I'm gonna go and get like a ton more before Christmas is over. And then if you want to just add some extra stuff, they have these little ornaments. They have a lot of different ornaments actually. They have like these little flowers. They have some they have a lot of different things, like little angel wings. They have little birds and things of that nature. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So first of all, you're going to take your candle holders, like I said. You're going to glue two of them together, one on top of the other, just like so. And then you're going to take your bowl and using a bit of my Gorilla Glue, and I like to go every other side here because I will also be using my glue gun as well. And then we're just going to, probably easier to do it this way. That way you will know that you are getting it as even as possible. And don't do like I just did and burn yourself. So that's about as centered as I'm going to get it. And this is a very simple, easy DIY for you guys. I like to do simple and quick and easy DIYs as I possibly can. In this video, I will be doing 2 different tutorials for you guys. So we just put a little pressure on that, hold it down for a while. That should be good. So this is what you're going to have. Okay. And then we're just going to finish this off by using our garland. You can just break it off or cut it off because it was too long and I didn't want to use that much, so I'm just going to put that in here like so. And we don't need that much. The other half. In there. And then we're going to take our LED ornaments and we'll add those. So we'll take these, cut the tag off. Make sure you have the one that's working, okay? You don't want to go through all that and then it's not working. So we'll add that to our bowl. Just gonna nestle that in there. Okay. And you're gonna add 2 or 3. I'm just gonna add 2. Just make sure it's sitting in there real nicely. Okay. And you want to grab these ornaments. They're also at the Dollar Tree. So they have them in these little tubes. And I got the white and the glitter silver. And I'm just going to add those. And they don't have to be in any kind of order. That noise you're hearing in the background, that's my dryer. It's just letting me know that it's time for a new dryer. You just want to add those. And then I'm just going to add this little ring here because I thought it would be cute. Let's see if I can find a spot to put him in. And you're just going to kind of sit him up in there. Yeah. And it's just something that is simple and easy to put on your you can put it on your mantle, put it on your dining table, your entryway table, something really nice. And let's see how it looks with these lights on. Maybe I should have done that before I put it in here. Is that not gorgeous? Let's make sure the mirror is up in here good. It's just gorgeous. Okay. Now you can add any other embellishments that you want to this. I kind of like it the way it is. I think simple and is elegant enough without adding a whole lot of extra. So the next DIY that I'm going to do is, again, very simple. So I already had these done from a previous event that I was working on. And all it is a cylinder base. And then this bottom part of it is a vase as well. It's just a smaller vase. And they are both found at the Dollar Tree, if you haven't seen them there. And they are there. And I'm basically just going to do what I did here. You can see that. So I'm just taking this ornament that they also have at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to cut this tag off. And we're just going to place it right on the base. You're just going to apply a little pressure to it. And that's it, guys. Something so simple can be so elegant and can make a room look awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank all of my new subscribers. Please share, comment, let me know what I can change or how you think the videos are coming out. I would also love to hear all of your feedback because it helps me as far as growing and making the YouTube videos. So again, thank you so much for watching, and always subscribe and hit that little bell so that you can see more DIY tutorials. Also join our group that we have on Facebook so that you can talk to a community of creators and we would love to see your creations as well. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and as always, be royale, be classy, and be creative.